Hey everyone! Ever wondered what that confusing 0W-20 label on your engine oil bottle actually means, and more importantly, why your car might need it? Today, we're demystifying engine oil. Let's break down those numbers. The 0W stands for winter and tells us how thin or fluid the oil is when it's cold. A 0 here means this oil is incredibly thin, even in freezing temperatures, allowing it to flow easily. Now, the 20 refers to the oil's viscosity when your engine is at its normal, hot operating temperature. Just like the 0W, a lower number here means the oil remains relatively thin even when hot, flowing easier and faster than oils with higher numbers like 30 or 40. So why 0W-20? The biggest benefit is superior cold start protection. When you start your car, especially on a chilly morning, most engine wear happens in those crucial first few seconds. Being super thin when cold, 0W-20 oil quickly reaches all those vital engine parts, protecting them almost instantly. Another major advantage is improved fuel economy. Thinner oil means less resistance for engine parts to move, leading to less wasted energy and, ultimately, better gas mileage for you. Plus, modern engines are built with much tighter tolerances and intricate designs, and 0W-20 oil is specifically engineered to lubricate and protect these precise components efficiently. So, if your car manufacturer recommends 0W-20, stick with it. This specific oil grade is chosen to give your engine the best possible protection, efficiency, and longevity. Drive safely, and we'll see you next time. Subscribe for more amazing facts.